Something strange was in the air that day. A quiet summer afternoon turned mysterious when our radios picked up a signal from an uncharted island. Mira, Jamal, and little Zoe, full of curiosity and concern, geared up to investigate, because this wasn't just any island. As their hoverboat glided over foggy waters, sea lions began swimming alongside, almost like they were guiding them. The island rose through the glowing mist, ancient and secretive, its cliffs carved with massive stone faces that watched in silence. When Zoe touched one of the stones, it lit up, revealing a tunnel hidden beneath a curtain of vines. Excited sea lions barked and nudged them forward, urging them into the unknown. Inside the cavern, glowing glyphs danced on the walls, telling silent stories of a forgotten time. A deep rumble echoed, and ahead stood a sealed gate guarded by glowing sea lion statues. Jamal noticed the symbols responded to bark rhythms, and by solving the puzzle, he unlocked the path forward. That's when a door opened, revealing a glowing underwater tunnel. Sea lions swam ahead, leading the way, while strange creatures peeked from coral caves. Mira spotted a pulsing orb on a pedestal. It felt like the island's heartbeat. As they held the orb, a tidal puzzle lit up beneath their feet. Zoe matched the rhythm perfectly, and the waters parted to unveil a hidden chamber, but not without a challenge. A massive sea lion guardian emerged from the shadows, eyes glowing fiercely. Jamal, heart pounding, offered the orb, and the guardian calmed, revealing an ancient chest filled with shimmering sea crystals. Mira whispered, "These crystals hold the island's secrets." And just as the kids thought it was over, the crystals glowed brighter, projecting ancient symbols on the walls, revealing a hidden map. Zoe traced it, unlocking a holographic treasure map that shimmered with untold stories. They weren't just explorers anymore, they were chosen to protect these mysteries. But suddenly, the island trembled. The Guardian's time and theirs was running out. The kids ran through twisting caves, dodging traps and crumbling stone until Jamal spotted a glowing archway and led them to safety. Bursting through the portal, they landed back on the beach, safe but changed forever. The sea lions sat watching, calm and grateful, as if they understood what had been saved. Mira smiled at her friends and at the crystal in her hand. This adventure is just the beginning. There's a whole universe of mysteries waiting for us. And you can be part of that journey too. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more incredible adventures with us.